Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to connect Stripe with GoHighLevel. First, you want to go and open GoHighLevel and you want to log in into the sub account that you want to be in. Then you want to go and click on Payments. After you click on Payments, you should go and click on Integrations on the top right side. Then here you can find all the payment integrations that you can use. You just have to go to Stripe and click on Connect. Once you click on Connect here, it will show you this button, Connect with Stripe. Just tap on it. It will then redirect you to this page. If you already have an account, you can simply go and sign in. If you do not, you will need to create an account. And down below right here, you can simply click on create a new account if you do not have one. You need to know that for every single business that you have, you would create a separate account. But I will just select one of these that I already have and I will go for YouTube. And once you choose the type of the account or the account that you want to connect, click on connect, then it will redirect you back to GoHighLevel. Now you can simply click on these arrows right here in order to see more and more details. And if you want to disconnect this account, you can simply click on disconnect account, this button right here. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new tutorial.